The construction industry has undergone a significant transformation in recent years, driven by the emergence of innovative building materials and techniques that prioritize both eco-friendliness and structural efficiency. Amongst these advancements, mass timber has emerged as a prominent player, revolutionizing both the way we approach building design and construction. Mass timber, a category of engineered wood products, is purposefully crafted to serve as a strong, durable and eco-friendly alternative to conventional concrete and steel construction methods. The term mass in mass timber refers to the significant material density and strength of the mass timber elements, which are designed to facilitate large, open spaces whilst maintaining a minimal environmental footprint. This combination of benefits has led to the surge in mass timber's popularity across a wide range of projects, including residential and commercial. Within the realm of mass timber, there are different types that have all gained recognition for their unique characteristics and applications. Cross-laminated timber, for instance, is a large-scale, prefabricated, wood-engineered product that consists of kiln-dried boards stacked together in alternating directions and bound together with structural adhesives. Glue-laminated timber, on the other hand, consists of dimensional timber that's stacked together, bound together with adhesives, with all the grains running in parallel in the longitudinal axis. Other types of mass timber, each with their own distinct manufacturing process and properties, include nail laminated timber or NLT, dowel laminated timber or DLT, laminated veneer lumber or LVL, parallel strand lumber or PSL, laminated strand lumber or LSL, and mass plywood panel or MPP. In the coming videos, we will dive into each of these specific types of mass timber. If you want to go more in depth into one of these types, click the links in the description. And if you want to learn more about the world of mass timber as a whole, subscribe to this channel.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.